What's up everyone, it's Ryan with Heat Press Nation. We all know that coffee mugs are one of the most popular items to customize with sublimation. But have you ever wondered how much of your brew can they actually hold? Stay tuned to this episode of Heat Press Lab, as we'll be testing the limits of HPN's sublimation mugs, plus what competitors may be offering. Now, if you enjoy our videos or find them to be helpful, be sure to give this one and any others a thumbs up. And to catch the latest tutorials and live episodes from Heat Press Nation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. Now let's get started. Whether it's a regular or sublimated item, most coffee mugs are typically sized to hold 11 or 15 ounces. Yet you wouldn't always completely fill the mug when using them practically. For the most part, you would only fill the mug until you have just enough brew to get through the day. But for curiosity's sake, what exactly would be the maximum amount of brew a customized coffee mug can hold? By simply pouring a measure cup with 11 ounces of water onto these two sublimation coffee mugs, we'll be able to see how both fill up. One mug is stated to hold 11 ounces, while the other can allegedly hold 12 ounces. However, both mugs are extremely close in size and shape. Shouldn't they be able to hold the same amount of liquid? Let's pour our cup on both mugs to find out. As you can see, 11 ounces of water does manage to fill both mugs close to capacity. But what happens if you pour one more ounce of water into these mugs? Surprisingly, both mugs are able to hold 12 ounces. Yet this is the maximum capacity they can hold. So the takeaway of this experiment is that many sublimation coffee mugs likely offer a similar maximum capacity. Most mugs are stated to hold 11 ounces, as it's the ideal max you would want to pour without going overboard. Some mugs might be stated to hold to 12 ounces, though this would be the true max that you wouldn't practically fill the mug with every time. And it's probably not the wisest idea to fill that one that far of fresh coffee anyways. Whenever you find a sublimation coffee mug advertising itself to hold one more ounce than the others, it most likely won't matter in a practical sense, especially if that mug happens to essentially be the same as other similarly sized ones. But if you're someone who's had curiosities about sublimation and other heat transfers, feel free to drop a comment below about them for us to possibly revisit later on. To learn more about sublimation drinkware, please visit us at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, you can always contact a My Expert representative at support.heatpressnation.com. This has been Ryan with Heat Press Nation, and adios.